Welcome to this week's trivia, my friends. Today's topic is cats. There will be 20 questions, from easy to hard. Before we start, let's review the rules. First, each question only has one correct answer. Second, you shall not get help from the internet or AIs. Third, keep your voices down to not disturb your neighbors. Now let's start testing your knowledge about cats. Question 1. What sound does a cat typically make? A. Woof. B. Moo. C. Meow. D. Quack. The answer is C. Meow. Question 2. True or false? All cats have retractable claws. A. True. B. False. C. Only male cats. D. Only wild cats. The answer is A. True. Question 3. What is a group of kittens called? A. A gaggle. B. A pack. C. A kindle. D. A herd. The answer is C. A kindle. Question 4. What do cats often do when they're happy and relaxed? A. Bark. B. Chirp. C. Purr. D. Howl. The answer is C. Purr. Question 5. What's the name of the famous orange cartoon cat who loves lasagna? A. Garfield. B. Felix. C. Simba. D. Oliver. The answer is A. Garfield. Question 6. Do cats have more, fewer, or the same number of bones as humans? A. Fewer. B. Same. C. More. D. Depends on breed. The answer is C. More. That was easy. Let's make it more challenging.
Question 7. What's the average lifespan of an indoor cat? A. 5 to 7 years. B. 8 to 10 years. C. 12 to 18 years. And D. Over 30 years. The answer is C. 12 to 18 years. Question 8. Which breed of cat is known for its hairlessness? A. Persian. B. Sphinx. C. Maine Coon. And D. Ragdoll. The answer is B. Sphinx. Question 9. What is the name of the behavior when a cat kneads its paws into soft surfaces? A. Biscuit making. B. Paw patting. C. Claw poking. And D. Foot dancing. The answer is A. Biscuit making. Question 10. What part of a cat's body is as unique as a human fingerprint? A. Tail. B. Paw pads. C. Nose. And D. Whiskers. The answer is C. Nose. Question 11. What does it mean when a cat slowly blinks at you? A. It's sleepy. B. It wants food. C. It's angry. And D. It trusts you. The answer is D. It trusts you. Question 12. What's the term for a cat with orange, black, and white fur? A. Tabby. B. Siamese. C. Calico. And D. Tortie. The answer is C. Calico. Question 13. What is the main reason cats rub their faces on furniture, walls, or people? A. To clean themselves. B. To leave their scent. C. To scratch and itch. And D. To look for food. The answer is B. To leave their scent.
All right, things are about to get serious. Let's see how well you really know your feline facts. Time for the difficult round.
Question 14. Which ancient civilization worshipped and mummified cats? A. Egyptian. B. Roman. C. Mayan. And D. Greek. The answer is A. Egyptian. Question 15. What's the name of the condition where cats have extra toes? A. Hyperpaw. B. Catdactyly. C. Clomaxia. And D. Polydactyl. The answer is D. Polydactyl. Question 16. What is the scientific name for the domestic cat? A. Panthera leo. B. Felis catus. C. Canis lupus. And D. Feline domesticus. The answer is B. Felis catus. Question 17. Which breed is known for being a natural swimmer and has water-resistant fur? A. Turkish Van. B. Scottish Fold. C. Siamese. And D. British Shorthair. The answer is A. Turkish Van. Question 18. Which organ allows cats to detect pheromones and other scent-based signals? A. Pituitary gland. B. Pineal gland. C. Jacobson's organ. And D. Cochlea. The answer is C. Jacobson's organ. Question 19. What is the average number of whiskers on a cat's face? A. 10. B. 16. C. 24. And D. 32. The answer is C. 24. Question 20. Which part of the cat helps it maintain balance? A. Whiskers. B. Paws. C. Ears. And D. Tail. The answer is D. Tail. And that's a wrap on our cat trivia challenge. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow cat lovers. Until next time, stay curious and keep purring.